For tens of thousands of years, humanity wandered across vast plains, dense forests, and unforgiving mountains. Life was harsh, unpredictable, and often brutally short. Back then, the world did not belong to us. It belonged to nature, to predators stronger than us, to storms fiercer than anything we could imagine, to darkness that swallowed the night like a beast. And in this endless struggle for survival, humanity slowly discovered one truth. Alone, we were weak, but together, unstoppable. The birth of the fire circle. At first, gatherings around the fire were accidental. A few early humans drawn together by warmth, light, and the safety that pushed back the shadows. But soon, these gatherings became something more. Around the fire, small groups weren't just surviving, they were learning to share. Food exchanged hands. Stories were told with gestures, sounds, and expressions. Fears were spoken, hopes were imagined, and knowledge was passed on. For the first time, information traveled from one mind to another, and that changed everything. Hunting together. Before unity, hunting was a lonely act, a desperate attempt by one person against the relentless forces of nature. But as bonds formed, humans began to understand a powerful idea. A coordinated group could accomplish what no individual ever could. Hunting strategies emerged. One group would drive animals into traps, another would wait in hidden positions, and others would defend against predators trying to steal the kill. They ran together, they planned together, they survived together. Success was no longer luck, it was cooperation. Every hunt strengthened their trust. Every shared meal strengthened their bond. Every danger they overcame as a group transformed them into something new. The night that changed everything. One night, under the pale glow of the moon, a small group gathered around their fire. It flickered and danced across their faces, revealing a new emotion, one never seen before. Not fear, not instinct, but something far more powerful, belonging. In that moment, a realization passed through them like a spark. We are a family. Not just individuals fighting for survival, but a unit, connected, protective, and stronger than the sum of its parts. This sense of family, of loyalty and unity, was something no other animal on Earth possessed in the same way. It was the beginning of trust, the beginning of community, the beginning of everything that would one day become human civilization. The transformation of humanity. From this unity came new possibilities. Groups grew larger, communication improved, ideas spread faster, tools evolved. Children were taught, protected, and raised not just by parents, but by the entire group. Humans began to understand roles. Hunters, gatherers, firekeepers, toolmakers, caretakers. Each person mattered, each person contributed, each person belonged. This was the birth of teamwork, the foundation of society, and the spark that ignited human progress. The moment civilization was born. And so, as the flames danced in the night and early humans looked at each other with recognition and unity, a silent transformation took place. This was the moment that separated humans from the rest of the animals. Not strength, not speed, not claws or fangs, but connection. The understanding that unity makes us stronger, that together we could shape the world itself. From a simple fire circle in the darkness came villages, and cities, and nations, and eventually the entire human story. Civilization began not with stone, not with fire, not with tools, but with each other.